know a place where we can go. I know a place where we can go, where we are safe, where we are known. I know that there's no place like home. I know that there's no place like home.
You look awesome, dinosaur. I love it.
Woody? Skeleton? Hazel is just at a crab. Here!
Oh my goodness. Hey, Major Chase.
Hi, Mrs. Spider! It's Spider-Man. Chickens.
They're so careful. Careful, you're gonna get so quick. Hazel, no! Hazel, no! We gotta find our way.
Oops. Whoa! That Halloween trapped.
Show us where to go.
Here,
Okay, come on. Let's go.
whoa.
Lilo.
No. Just keep going this way. Going.
I'll with you. I'll stay with you. Come on.
No, I'm.
Look at that.
I see tomatoes. Boom, 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 boom. No. Okay, that cat. Hey, that's creepy.
Is that creepy? Is he real?
I know it's him. I know. Are you a cactus? Hey, well, I'm Elsa. Elsa? Hey, can you go upside down like a ninja and hang up on a ceiling? Oh, yeah. Let's pretend I did. Cool. That's what ninjas do. Cousin Skulls. This is my home, haunted forest. Ha ha. Now we're gonna get cut in half. Ha ha. Good one. You spin that wheel so fast? Easy. Yeah. That's more like it.
Tell your friend that's the whistle.
Your helmet.
22, 24, 26, 28.
do that. Then it turns into a chicken. And then it's gonna eat your eyes off.
Ooh, get your eyes off.
I got a
That must be a scary chicken.
I got a root. It's a candy corn one. It's gonna eat you up.
Should we open the door?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready?
I'm little.
See if you can find the candy.
I found it. What? Ooh, I like these candy corn. Found the scary candy. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, 8, 9, 10, 11.
All right, farmers.
We
I
have
heard
the
the whistle.
Nora eggs too.
It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking from the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but terror takes the sound before you make it. You start to breathe as horror looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is thriller night, and no one's gonna save you from the beast about to
There's a
set
wall in here.
Thriller night, go find and hold your life inside out. You hear the doors slam and realize there's nowhere.
I couldn't catch it with nothing.
You couldn't catch it?
No.
You did a good job trying.
Yeah, they would just keep running around and running around and running around.
Who did catch one?
I think.
But all the while, you hear a creature creeping up behind. You're out of time, 'cause this is thriller night. There ain't no second chance against the demon for the eyes, girl. Thriller night. You're fighting for your life inside out. Killer, thriller tonight. Night creatures crawl and they can't start to walk in their masquerade. There's
That's
no
the
escaping the jaws of the alien this time. This is the end of your life. They're out to get you. The demons closing in on every side. They will possess you unless you change that number on your dial. Now is the time for you and I to cuddle close together.
All of us have been scared at one point in our life. And we're going to think about times that were kind of scary, and then we're going to talk about what we did to be brave, to get through being scared.
I was screaming as a monster, and then I was getting brave, and I said it was a poop head.
She said something about poop head? Great.
I told the poop head.
A monster.
I saw a black snake at the egg, right? But I was just sitting there, and then my mom was just sitting there, and then she comes out, and then she screams.
That would be scary.
Last time I was scared, the decorations get me more scary, and then my friends told me that they're the decorations and not real monsters.
That's a good one.
According to this book, the number one thing that children are afraid of your age is, believe it or not, the dark. A lot of kids are afraid of the dark. Raise your hand if you've ever been afraid of the dark.
Not me.
If I turned all the lights off in this room, everything would still be the same as when the lights were on. Your neighbor would be next to you, your teachers would be in the room, Hazel would be in here. Even if it was completely black in here, completely dark, try to remember everything is still the same. So there's really nothing to be scared of just because the lights are out. Because the lights are out.
So spooky. Oh, look at the little dog.
Skeleton.
Oh, I see a scary tree. Ah! The sound of the good.
Farmers, we're going to walk as a group through the woods.
It's spooky.
Found it.
I want to open the treasure.